Here we go with the results of the close-up coins game. A huge shout out to everyone that played along. There's a harder one coming next week, that's for sure. Number 1 then was the Olympic handball. Number 2 is Olympic cycling. And again, this is Olympic week, ladies and gentlemen. Next up, we have got the weightlifting 50p coin. Number 4 is volleyball. Again, a lot of these so detailed. The more you look at them, the more they do stand out. Number 5 then is the final Olympic in this one. It's the gymnastics, trying to trick you there, putting it on an angle. And again, the wild card at the end. Maybe an easy one for a lot of you. It's the 2024 Snowman 50p coin, the newest Christmas coin. Again, unfortunately, and not intended for circulation coin, but one day, Royal Mint, we know you're listening. We're going to get that Christmas coin out into circulation one day. A huge shout out to Blistering Barnacles, Ian Ritchie and Strudwick and Greggy64 for getting all 6 of those correct. The question is, can you get all 6 correct next week? They're going to be more difficult. I'm sure you can. Have a great weekend. Hope you've enjoyed it. Stay safe. And as always, thanks for watching.